Today I'm reviewing a chair that genuinely changed the way I work, edit and even relax. This is the LiberNovo Omni, the world's first dynamic ergonomic chair. And after a full week of using it, I have the grey version and I have the footrest as well. I can confidently say this is the first chair that after a full day of work doesn't leave me with pain. LiberNovo raised around $10 million on Kickstarter with more than 2,000 backers. That's quite an achievement, and even earned the title of Best Chair of 2025. Now that's officially launched, I want to give you my real perspective. I work full-time from home, I edit videos, so yeah, I spend a lot of time sitting down at my desk. Thiago here, welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. With this said, let's start the review of the Omni chair. Most ergonomic chairs are built around the static idea of sitting. They support you only when you sit perfectly still, and the moment you lean forward, reach for your mouse or shift your weight, the support disappears. Research shows that we shift posture 13 times every hour. That's over 100 unconscious adjustments in a typical workday. If you try to keep a traditional chair perfectly aligned with your body, you have to manually adjust the headrest, armrests, and lumbar support more than 600 times a day. Nobody does that. And that's exactly why your back ends up carrying the load. So what makes the Omni different? The LiberNovo Omni abandons the static ergonomics entirely. Instead, introduces dynamic ergonomics, meaning the chair adapts your movement automatically. Inside the frame, 60 precision joints and 4 synchronized mechanisms react in milliseconds. When you move, the chair moves with you. The backrest contours your spine, the headrest tilts to keep your eyes aligned with the screen, and the armrests glide to stay level up with your desk, and the seat tilts to maintain the hip and leg support. Everything stays in sync. Your posture stays aligned without you doing anything. It's the first time I have ever felt a chair follow me instead of fighting with me. The feature that impressed me the most is the Bionic FlexFit Backrest. It's built with 8 adaptive panels, 14 dual link points, and 16 ball joints that form a custom S-curve matching your spine. When you sit down and press the button on the armrest, the Ergo Pulse motor gently lifts and shapes the lumbar area until it fits your lower back perfectly. For the first time, I felt 0 gaps behind my lower back. No sagging, no collapsing, no pressure points. As someone with back issues, it feels like a miracle. It's the closest thing I have felt to a chair that actually understands my spine. Setup was so easy and quick. Assembly took around 15 minutes, and the internal battery full charge in 3.5 hours. Once charged, it keeps the massage system running for up to 30 days. LiberNovo backs the Omni with a 5 years frame warranty and 2 years on electronics, which is a rare in this category. Next, let's talk about the price. So looking at the price for the UK, we are looking at £985. If you look at the price for the US, $805. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. I may leave a discount code, so go and check it. Let's carry on with the review. Omni gives you 4 recline modes, each designed for a different moment in your day. And unlike other brands that stop at 135 degrees, Omni goes all the way up to 160 degrees. So you have 105 degrees deep focus mode. You stay comfortable and focused, supports your natural lumbar curve and fatigue-free work. You have also the 120 degrees solo work mode. Lock in, stay in, find your flow. Reduces spine pressure for a comfortable reading or editing experience. Then 135 degrees soft recline mode for gaming, streaming and relaxing. Relaxes your muscles and refreshes your energy fast. And the last one, 160 degrees spine flow mode. Fully recline, stretch out and reset. Perfect for midday breaks or end of the day recovery. What makes this mode special is that the support stays consistent the entire time. When you recline, the headrest automatically tilts to keep your eyes aligned with your monitor, and the armrests stay level with your desk, so your elbows never lose support. Next, one of my favorite tech, if you want to call it, of the chair. It's called OmniStretch, a 5-minute spinal decompression cycle built in the chair. chair. When you recline to 160 degrees, the motor gently lifts the lowers of your lower back, releasing pressure between the discs. It's inspired by yoga stretches and decompression therapy, but far gentle and far more relaxing. After long work days or editing sessions, these feel incredible. This is not a gimmick, not a roller massage. It's a reset button for your spine. After a full week of using the grey Omni with the footrest, working from home, editing videos for hours, and dealing with the real back pain, this is the first chair where I finish my day and I don't feel destroyed. My lower back doesn't ache, my shoulders don't tense up, and the posture doesn't collapse. The footrest is a game changer too. Resting my calves on it during recline feels like a mini zero gravity setup. It's the most comfortable I have ever been in a chair. Like always, there is always pros and cons. So, from my point of view, the pros are: this is a dynamic ergonomic system that moves with you. Easy 15 minutes assembly, has a long battery life, up to 30 days per charge, has 4 recline modes up to 160 degrees, has a built-in OmniStretch massage system, and it has an excellent warranty coverage. The cons: has a premium price point, has a slightly heavy frame, and the massage motor is audible in very quiet rooms. So, my final opinion: is the LiberNovo Omni worth in 2026? Absolutely. It's not just an ergonomic chair, it's a dynamic ergonomic system that adapts to you, supports you, and keeps you aligned through every movement of your day. With $10 million raised, global media coverage, and real-world validation from creators, developers, gamers, and professionals, Omni is reshaping how people think about sitting. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the LiberNovo Omni chair. If you spend long hours working, editing, gaming, this is the chair that finally gets it right. Move with comfort and stay supported. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.